Hi guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also. So please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. And today, guys, with Kraff. Yeah, one Buddha. With Tuah. Yeah, that's how the girl them left with long pit panic. So, we see this went viral on TikTok with the girl who said Tuah spit on that thing. Yeah, fear thing that. So, she's now making a bread from just saying that one thing. So, that is the power of social media. So, Kraff is here. I'm quite surprised it took an artist so long to actually drop a song on this. But let's jump in this one and see what Kraff had to say. Oh, please make sure you drop a sub to the channel also, guys. Remember to follow me on Instagram, all right? Let's go.
Like, how you gotta do that hot tuah and spit on that thing?
That's what. I mean, I dash for 20, feed it, on it, 20, feed it, on it,
She ain't creative, big up.
20, feed it, on it, 20. Category 5 short goat, from a blow like star, I'm at the sit on your whole see.
What? 25. Hold on. Category 5 short goat. Mama short a blow like stamina dog.
Feed it, on it, 20, feed it, on it, 20, feed it, on it, 20. Category 5 short goat, from a blow like star, I'm at the sit on your whole see, you know like God. If a bitch can got me, don't talk Tuah, baby talking a French, come here, hot Tuah, pretty put, feed it.
Hold on. Let's run it again.
Like, how you gotta do that hot tuah
Let's run it
and
again,
spit
brother.
on that thing?
That's what.
So Craig, go on now.
I mean, I dash for 20, feed it, on it, 20, feed it, on it, 20, feed it, on it, 20. Category 5 short goat, from a blow like star, I'm at the sit on your whole see, you know like God. If a bitch can got me, don't talk
Man said the sinner in your wall so you know like gone. So you're a darkness.
like star, I'm at the sit on your whole see, you know like God. If a bitch can got me, don't talk Tuah, baby talking a French, come here, hot Tuah. Pretty pose, funny body, no bumps like bash, have to tip on her Tuah, cause the cocky quite tall. Ensure body on her feet, pan grass, every time she had Tuah, me have to dash money.
And say ensure body you know feed pan grass. Mama, you no good cow or no animal when you have grass, mama. No, ensure.
No bumps like bash, have to
Ensure.
tip on her Tuah, cause the cocky quite tall. Ensure body on her feet, pan grass, every time she had Tuah, me have to dash money. Dash money. Skinny thought, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Hot Tuah, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Mama skinny thought, I'm a
Mama
dash
thick, you
money.
know.
Dash
Mama
money.
thick, man.
Dash money.
DJ,
Bad
big
man
up.
party, me a sip and me a rock so. Blicky day off your nigga way act tough. Papa
Yeah, man. Blick it there. Don't binds there, man. Binds there, man. Binds there, man. Yeah, blick it there if your nigga way act off. Don't run, brother. The girl I'm there for. Don't pass your place. Yeah, you will lose the race. Know that.
man party, me a sip and me a rock so. Blicky day off your nigga way act tough. Papa pill no me demon them a act up. Rich and root tell a rookie me a monster. In a taboo, girl a bubble with them hands up. Panny pole, mama slide till the back come. Me with tip a little bitch till me bankrupt. Turn on my name.
Man say me we tip a little bitch until me bankrupt. Me give her everything. Me give her the whole savings. At that, the G say, cause she deserve it. She deserve it.
Chan root tell a rookie me a monster. In a taboo, girl a bubble with them hands up. Panny pole, mama slide till the back come. Me with tip a little bitch till me bankrupt. Turn on my name and full of money like Tanto. Dash money. Dash money. Skinny thought I'm a dash money. Dash money. Hot Tuah, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Mama skinny thought I'm a dash money. Dash money. Dash money, get the girl 5 short coat from a blow like star. Man, it's still on your whole scene, one like gun. The bitch can't go out, then don't talk to her. Baby, talk to a friend, come here, hot bar.
If the bitch can't go out, then don't talk to her. To the way him say it, you know. If the bitch can't talk, then don't talk to her. To her, I mean.
Gun. The bitch can't go out, then don't talk to her. Baby, talk to a friend, come here, hot bar. Pretty post by the body, no bumps like bars. You have a tipper and Tuah, cause the cocky quite tall. Hench your body, you know, feet pan grass. Say, mama, hot, twat. Come here, me dash money. Let me dash money. Skinny thought, let me dash money. Dash money. Hot twat, me dash money. Dash money. Pan the pool, let me dash money. Come here, me dash money. Hey, mama, twat, me dash money.
Like it's cold talk.
Skull attack. Skull attack to the blood clot.
Like, how you gotta do that?
Man, this skull attack.
That
Skull
all
attack.
that-
Make sure that's your money. It's bad still. Big up Kraff. She ain't crazy. Big up herself. Bodo, big up herself.
20 feet on it, 20 feet on it, 20 feet on it, 20. Category 5 short coat from a blow like star. Man, it's still on your whole scene, no like gun. If a bitch can't got, then don't talk to her. Baby, talking a friend, come here, hot twat. Pretty post by the body, no bumps like bars. She have to tip on her toe, cause the cocky quite tall. Hench her body on her feet, pan grass. Every time she had twat. Me have to dash money. Dash money. Skinny thought, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Hot twat, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Mama skinny thought, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Dash money. Bad man party, me a sip and me a rock so. Blicky day off your nigga where I act up. Papa pill no me demon them a act up. Rich and root tell a rookie me a monster. In a taboo, girl a bubble with them hands up. Pan the pole, mama slide till the back come. Me with tip a little bitch till me bankrupt. Turn on my name and full of money like Tuah.
Dash money.
Dash money. Skinny thought, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Hot twat, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Mama skinny thought, I'm a dash money. Dash money. Dash money. Get the girl 5 short coat from a blow like star. Man, it's still on your whole scene, one like gun. The bitch can't got, then don't talk to her. Baby, talk to a friend, come here, hot bar. Pretty post by the body, no bumps like bars. She have a tipper and Tuah, cause the cocky quite tall. Hench your body, you know, feet pan grass. Say, mama, hot twat. Come here, me dash money. Let me dash money. Skinny thought, let me dash money. Dash money. Hot twat, me dash money. Dash money. Pan the pool, let me dash money. Come here, me dash money. Hey, mama, twat, me dash money.
Like it's cold talk.
Dash money. Twat, me dash money. Dash money.
Yeah, no props was used in the making. No props was used in the making of this video. Them I tell you, the money where my dash are real money. Yeah, no props was used. Don't feel say, yo, don't feel say yo a prop money the man my G. Don't think say a prop money man my dash. That Shane creative but tell you. And Kraff, you hear that? Alright, dash money, a real money, pan a real girl them here do the real hard tour. Yeah. Category 5 short goat. Yeah. Blow like storm. And be a sitting hard tour, make you dash money. Yeah. Big up yourself, Kraff. Big up yourself, G. One Bodo Chop. She and creative production team behind the one. Big up yourself. Bodo Chop Records also. And there was one more person that I forget to big up. What's his name? Wicked. Produced by Bodo and Wicked. Big up. Alright. Anyway, song there's more people to big up. Beat composed by Zimmer. Composed by Kraff and song mixed by Black Spider. Big up on yourself. I love to give people their credit when credit is due. Bad song. Big up the female in the video also. Big up on yourself. Alright. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make it dash money.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.